All right, welcome back to the channel. We're over at our buddy Jake's house tonight. Got the fire going, the pond, fountain. Right on the back side there, we're gonna do a fireworks show for his son's first birthday. So we got her set up. We didn't know we were doing the show until about an hour and a half ago. We ran home, got her, grabbed some fireworks in our stash, and wired them up, hooked them up to the Ignite, and here we go. So $100 budget and an hour and a half show prep time, and we're gonna light her off 4:30. He let me know we'll be lighting off about 7:15. So I'll take you back to the back side of the pond where we're gonna be lighting the fireworks off and show you what we got. All right, next year Big E is gonna know what's going on, so we're gonna do a pretty elaborate show here. That'll be our present to him for his birthday. Got the American flag, of course. Next year we'll be doing it to music. Didn't have time to do it this year since we only knew about the show an hour and a half ago. But not gonna be bad for a little hour and a half prep time. So we got the Ignite here, some Roman candles that break, 25 shot noise cake there, some Gold Rush by Legend Fireworks, that's a great cake. Starry Fall by Winda, also another one. Got a case of those. 6-shot rack here, 6-shot rack over there, 666 shot Roman candle cannonade, that'll be great. 3-inch to start the show there, and some more Roman candles. So not gonna be too bad of a show. It should be like about 3 minutes. Here we got a little air burst by Dominator to test our camera out. So we'll do that at the beginning just to test to see what our camera angle's like. But this setting is just beautiful, guys. He's got an amazing backyard, perfect spot to do fireworks over. Got the fire just a rip roaring up there. Next show we do here, we'll have some no-abs and a bunch more stuff, but I didn't have time to really do a whole lot, but fuse a couple racks together, grab a couple cakes, get them all wired up, and now we're here. So, not bad for the time we had, and this will be the show. So we'll have about 2.5 minute to 3 minute long show just for the heck of it on a Saturday night for his kid's first birthday. So it'll be perfect. Stick with us here and we'll get back with you at showtime.